Hello students of Standard 10. Welcome to the digital campus of DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin with an online session of agriculture. Our today's topic is production of soybean. Glycine max L is the botanical name of soybean. Is the most important oilseed crop of India and the world. Soybean consists about 20 to 25% oil and 40 to 45% proteins. India ranks fourth in acreage and fifth in production of soybean in the world. It contributes greatly to the edible oil pool of the country and also earns sizable amount of foreign exchange. Soybean production in India at present time is restricted primarily in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. Climate and soil requirements. Soybean grows well in warm and moist climate from sea level to an elevation of 3000 meter. The crop cannot tolerate frost and waterlogging. It is grow in area receiving 40 to 75 centimeter annual rainfalls. It is a shorter day plant and requires a photo period of 13 to 14 hours. Soybean performs better in well-drained, sandy loamy to clay soil with medium water holding capacity. Acidic and alkaline soil inhibits the germination of seed. Waterlogging is injurious to the crop. Soil depth should be adequate. We can see huge variety in the cropping system of soybean, like soybean wheat, soybean chickpea, soybean potato, soybean mustard, soybean lentil are major crop rotations. Soybean can be grown in intercropping systems like soybean plus pigeon pea, soybean plus sorghum, soybean plus maize, soybean plus pearl meat, and soybean plus cotton. Improved varieties of soybean. Some promising varieties are Pusha 9712, VL Soya 2, Palam Soya PS 12141, VLS 65, Usha 22, Usha 16, Usha 24, Usha 37, Gujarati soybean 1 and Birsa soybean. Seed and sowing method. Optimum seed rate is the prerequisite to have good yield of soybean. Seeds can be treated with thiramine 75 Wp plus carbendazim 50 Wp in 2:1 ratio at 3 gram per kg seed or Trichoderma viridi at 4 to 5 grams per kg seed for reducing the incidence of insect pests and diseases. Following seed rate should be used in soybean cultivators like bold seeded varieties 80 to 85 kg per hectare, medium seeded varieties 70 to 75 kg per hectare, small seeded 60 to 65 kg per hectare. Timely sowing is very important to harness fully yield potential of soybean. Sowing of rain-fed soybean should start with the onset of rainy season. Generally, soybean is planted during June-July. Recommended sowing time for Kharif season soybean is in different parts of the country is June-July. Soybean should be planted in line at distance of 40 to 60 centimeter and plant to plant distance of about 5 centimeter. Seeding depth should be 3 to 4 centimeters. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.